In this week's discussion, we are arguing about the popularity of JSON data formats as compared to other data formats that perform the same task. So, first of all, JSON, which is JavaScript object notation, is a lightweight data interchange format. It is used for storing and transporting data. The JSON syntax is derived from JavaScript object notation syntax. And the code for reading and generating JSON data can be written in any programming language. It is easy for humans to read, and it is easy for machines to parse and generate as well. Now, there are other data interchange formats in use today like PowerCom, Object Notation, MSON, Avro, and XML. And XML happens to be the biggest competitor for JSON. Now, there's been a lot of debate as to which one is greater between JSON and XML. The debate has been in favor of JSON mostly for a number of reasons. Number one, the fact that JSON semantic maps directly to JavaScript, making it the native data interchange format for JavaScript. And also that JSON is easier for both humans and machines to understand since the syntax is minimal and its structure is predictable, while XML has been known to be verbose. And also that JSON is less verbose, as I said earlier, and while XML uses more words than necessary, and that JSON is faster generally compared to XML. Now, these are good reasons, I think, why JSON is more famous, is preferred, or more popular than all the other data formats. However, I find two reasons that strike me as to why JSON is more popular than all the other formats. Number one, that JSON was designed in the first place as a data interchange format. It was meant to carry structured information between programs right from the beginning. XML, even though it has been used for the same purpose, it was not originally designed for this. XML was originally designed as a document markup language. Therefore, XML, I can say that it's not well suited to data interchange. After all, it wasn't originally built for this task. It does carry a lot of baggage and it doesn't match the data model of most programming languages. The second reason, which I think is a good reason why JSON is more popular, is that it is because it is actually JavaScript has dominated mostly. It is one of the most used languages. Now, with JavaScript having this influence, it means JSON obviously continues to receive increasingly more attention than any other data interchange format since JSON is built from JavaScript. And also, JSON has restricted itself to primitive data types. Now, this makes JSON deeply and immediately interoperable with pretty much any programming language that exists compared to XML. And for these three big reasons, I think that's why JSON is more popular. Now, coming to sources of public data, I found a source called data.gov, which uses which has got data available that anyone can be able to download and that uses JSON data format.